In this video guide, I will provide you with help to get rid of the browser advertisements that are associated with the website rplnd17.com. This particular website tries to make you click on the special Allow button, supposedly to help you play some video file. But in reality, to click on the Allow button is a mistake. In this case, your browser may be hijacked, you may be brought to some other deceptive website. Also, because of the Allow button being clicked, people start getting the great portion of numerous advertisements in the right part of the screen. You should definitely fix your browser in case the Allow button was clicked by mistake. So access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications, and if you find this rplnd17.com, remove it from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I strongly advise scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green button, install the program, and then start investigating your system in order to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly remain on your computer, because sometimes visually the computer is free of any threats. You might check the control panel and look for suspicious programs and not find anything really extraordinary. But the point is that your system may be damaged and contaminated by some hidden adware or malware. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to detect these hidden threats and to remove them effectively from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.